Hi, this is Brittany with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for letting me take the time to make you this quick video. I don't want to take up too much of your time, and there's a few things I want to go over with you, and then at the end of this video, if you could possibly give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So today what I want to go over with you is what we call content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be anything that's on your front page, any photos that you use, any wording that you use, how your photos are saved, what's behind your photos. That is all a part of your content. Now, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on a home page. Within that content, you then want to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that's a big help. So we use this tool here, and with this tool, you are able to see the analytics of your website. Now, we start with the trust and the strength here with Google. This is on a scale of 100. Now, as you build these up, you want to keep these as even as possible when it comes to what Google is looking for. Now, the other thing is backlinks. You have no backlinks coming from different domains at the moment. Now, a backlink is anything where your website is linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust for your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all of these backlinks are the same. They are definitely not created equal. Some of the links are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the more authoritative links, and that's going to bring power to your website. And I'll be able to show you in comparison with another website here in just a moment. Also, keywords. You are indexing for 4 keywords at the moment, but unfortunately at the moment it's not bringing you any other traffic. So the idea is also to be able, we want to add more keywords within your content, and then that way we can also hopefully start bringing more traffic to your website. So once you start using all of these things together, this is where it's going to bring you. You want to definitely be on this map pack. This is where the bread and butter is found when it comes to people researching. This is the first place they get brought to. So I typed in renovation San Antonio. These top 3 are what we want to look at. So I took this one here and I went over to their website and checked it out. And then I also put it into the tool that we were using as well. So as you can see here, they are indexing for 225 backlinks, and they also have 31 keywords. So with that, we want to be able to then build off of the backlinks and keywords that they currently have, but we also want to be able to add more, so that way it gives more power and strength to your website. Now, also on a Google Guaranteed Business Profile, you get an About Us section. You want to make sure all 750 words of that section is filled out completely. You want to utilize every single word, and then you also want to take keywords and you want to be able to then place those keywords throughout as well, and that's going to help you. And also, when it comes to social media, you want to make sure you're going over any reviews, any messages. Make sure you're posting weekly branded posts and geolocated photos. That's all going to help with relevance. So another thing is citations. So what a citation is your business name, address, and phone number, and things like the Yellow Pages, Yelp, Angie's List, Better Business Bureau, things like that are going to be giving. Excuse me. If you give out your information to as many people as possible, that's going to increase your relevance, and that helps with your website as well. So all of these things together are going to start getting that strength and that trust, and we're able to see what keywords that they're using as well, so that we can start taking those and see what works best for your website as well. So I want to say thank you for taking the time, or letting me take the time to record this video for you. I'm going to add my phone number, my email address, and everything to the post that I send you. If you ever have any questions, just text me, email me, whatever works best for you. I greatly appreciate your time, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye now.